Hello guys, this is Sanjana Parihar, an intern at LEXIS and Company. I'm from Shulin University pursuing BA LLB and this is my first year. Today we will talk about the Right to Information Act of 2019. The Right to Information Amendment Act 2019 has made amendment in the status of salary and tenure of the Central Information Commissioners and the State Information Commissioners. On the count of the amendment made in the RTI Act, the civil society has raised concerns regarding accountability, autonomy, and the independence of the Information Commission. Amendments done in the RTI Act, the amendment empowers the central government to unilaterally decide the tenure, salary, allowances, and other terms of the service of information commissioner, both at the center and the states. Uh, Due to this, civil society asserts that this amendment may affect the autonomy of the Information Commission and force it to function as a mere department of the central government. Also, the status of the Central Information Commissioners has been brought on the par with election commissioners and the status of State Information Commissioner with the Chief Secretary in the states. However, the amendment has neglected the recommendation of the Parliamentary Standing Committee that the Information Commissioner and CIC were to be made on the par with the Election Commissioner and the Chief Election Commissioner, respectively. Now, what are the impacts of this amendment? The amendment allows the interference of the executive in the functioning of Information Commission, which are quasi-judicial bodies. This will affect the doctrine of separation of power, which underscores this independence and is vital to our democratic checks and balances. Independent structures set up to regulate and monitor the government are vital to a democratic state committed to delivering justice and constitutional guarantees. Apart from this, the amendment also affects the constitutional principles of federalism, as now the central government can change the terms of the services of State Information Commission. Unilateral power of the central government will lead to centralization of power, which is not conducive for the exercise of freedom of expression and may lead to the decline of participative democracy. Uh, Stating the conclusion, the second ARC held at RTI is the master key to governments. The RTI law has been a constant challenge to the misuse of power, a threat to arbitrariness, privilege, and corrupt governance. These amendments may undermine the independence of Information Commission and affect the transparency and accountability architecture in India. Therefore, in the pursuit of good governance, the RTI Act requires strengthening of the provision rather weakening. Thank you. Today, this was all about the RTI Amendment Act 2019. If there's any question related to this, any feedback, do let me know in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also, this video does not solicit any kind of advertisement or promotions. It's only for the educational purposes. If you like the content, please like the video and subscribe LEXCLIQ for more.